our day 2 here in Hong Kong and we're off to Hong Kong Disneyland.
Unang tip guys, kung puno na yung madadatnan yung train, you can always take the next one para makaupo kayo. Minutes lang naman ang interval niya. So that's what we did para makapag-take ng gandang pics.
May escalator doon.
Connected din ang Disneyland sa train system, so octopus card lang din ang gagamitin ninyo. Here we are at Hong Kong Disneyland! Of course, group picture muna. May security check before entering the park. Nagdala kami ng snacks like egg tart and chips pero hindi naman kami sinita. So I think pwede rin kayo magdala. We bought our tickets on Klook. So if you guys want a hassle-free trip, just use my code. Charing, wala pa tayong ganon. Haha. Pero soon.
Hi! Thank you.
Here's the very popular Hong Kong Disneyland Main Street Railway Station. Picture ulit. Say hello to Hong Kong Disneyland Castle.
First order of business, World of Frozen. We're here in Arundel.
Here's our first ride, Frozen Ever After. Frozen Ever After is a magical indoor boat ride at Hong Kong Disneyland. Guests board a Viking-style boat and sail through the Kingdom of Arundel, reliving iconic moments from Frozen and Frozen 2. Along the journey, you'll see lifelike animatronics of Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and Sven, and hear beloved songs like Let It Go. The ride is gentle, story-driven, and perfect for all ages, making it a must-visit attraction for families and Frozen fans. So the experience is para kang part talaga ng Frozen movie. At kung gusto mo kumanta kasabay si Elsa, pwede po yan sa ride na to.
Ayan na yung drop.
Our next ride, Wandering Oaken's Sliding Slates. It's a family-friendly roller coaster inspired by Oaken's trading post from Frozen. May mga smooth drops, curves, at medyo mabilis na parts. Pero hindi siya super intense, kaya perfect pa rin for kids and families. Next on our list is It's a Small World. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-classic rides sa Disneyland. Sasakay kayo sa slow-moving boat, tapos magta-travel kayo around the world. Makikita ninyo yung iba't ibang countries represented by cute dolls in traditional outfits. Tapos syempre, maririnig ninyo yung iconic song na It's a Small World na paulit-ulit. Very chill lang siya, walang drops, walang scary parts. Kaya okay na okay for kids, families, and even pag gusto mo lang magpahinga from intense rides. After nun, we went to Mickey's Feel Her Magic. It's a 4D musical show experience featuring your favorite Disney characters. Papasok kayo sa theater, magsusuot ng 3D glasses, tapos biglang madadala kayo sa different Disney movie scenes kasama si Donald Duck.
A few moments later.
After namin sa 4D show, dumiretso kami dito sa Royal Banquet Hall for lunch. Buffet style yung ordering system pero quick service siya. Napili ka lang ng food sa different station. So we ordered premium mixed grill combo, roasted half chicken combo, Japanese dumplings, and chicken wings. May Asian dishes, western meals, rice meals, pasta, at syempre may desserts din. Perfect siya if group kayo kasi maraming options na pwedeng pagpilian. Medyo pricey siya since nasa Disneyland kayo pero worth it naman for the ambience and convenience. Lalo na kapag gutom na kayo after rides.
Next ride! Walang susuka ah.
Wala si Abby sa kaya naman.
Dati.
Okay guys, ito na yung medyo intense. It's a high-speed outer roller coaster with wild twists and surprises. May sudden turns, mabilis na drops, at may surprise part na biglang aatras yung train.
Did you like the ride? Yes. Our next ride, Ant-Man and the Wasp.
Dito magiging shield agent tayo. Tapos sasakay kayo sa vehicle na iikot sa lab. Habang umaandar yung ride, kailangan ninyong barilin yung targets para tumaas ang scores ninyo. Parang arcade game siya pero moving ride. May score screen sa harap mo kaya pwede kayo mag-compete ng friends mo kung sino mas mataas ang points.
Time to get them back to humans. Okay, we just keep
Wala na. Liar score mo.
Lino?
Next ride, Iron Man.
This ride is a motion simulator ride na parang sumasakay ka sa flight kasama si Iron Man. Let's get our 3D glasses.
We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat.
Captain America.
You are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。
Break muna.
Kain ulit. Our next ride, Hyperspace Mountain.
It's a high-speed indoor roller coaster with a Star Wars theme. Guys, ito na yung pinaka-intense sa Tomorrowland. Totally dark yung ride, tapos bigla na lang kayong bibilis habang may Star Wars battle scenes sa paligid. Feeling mo nasa space ka talaga. After taking that ride, biglang may parade sa Main Street kasama sina Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy at iba pang Disney characters na sumasayaw sa colorful floats. Ang daming music, confetti vibes at super lively ng atmosphere.
Mawana daw muna.
Six o'clock pala eh. Buti na pumunta na tayo.
Oo. Baka wala ulit tayo.
Oo.
Saan tayo left, guys?
Hindi ko alam.
Right?
Saan? Doon na lang sa taas. Ay, saan daw? O, left.
After Moana, we went to the theater in the wild to watch Let's Get Wicked.
Join us now and let's get wicked!
Dito lalabas yung mga Disney villains like Maleficent, the Evil Queen, Ursula at iba pa. May powerful live singing, intense choreography, at grabe yung stage effects. May fire, lights, at dramatic music. Very theatrical siya. Parang mini Broadway performance sa loob ng Disneyland. Ang costumes sobrang detailed at fierce. Tapos talagang mapapawaw ka sa production value.
Done watching the Let's Get Wicked show. And nandito kami ngayon sa harap ng castle, waiting for the momentous nighttime spectacular.
Good evening, one and all. The time is soon approaching when we will proudly present our nighttime spectacular, Momentous.
This is the highlight of our day. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng Momentous. May fireworks, castle projections, lasers, fountains, at epic Disney music. Parang lahat ng emotions mararamdaman mo habang pinapanood mo siya. The show celebrates life's special moments. May scenes from different Disney and Pixar movies na nakaproject sa castle, tapos sabay-sabay yung fireworks at music sa climax. Super cinematic at nakaka-goosebumps talaga.
And that ends our day 2 here in Hong Kong. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Paalam!